All right, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Atimise Maths Academy, where mathematics is being made easy. We are still on a series set. Under this set, we want to talk about complementary set. Complementary set. Now, what we talk about complementary set? Complementary set is all about what is not found inside the set. For example, in a university, a student that is not found inside the university, where a student that doesn't have a matric number is not part of the university, so it's a complement to the university. It doesn't fit in. No, it's not a part of the university. So now let's begin. You say, given that A is a subset of the universal set, that means A is inside the universal set, is inside the boundary of the universal set. The elements of the universal set which are not, just like I told you, which cannot be found in the set A, constitute a set which is called the complement of A. The complement of A. So anytime you hear the complement of A, is that particular element that is not found in the universal set or in that set. Okay? Now it is denoted as A prime. A prime. In some cases, you can see it as A complement, AC. The up has C, but now, if in case you are reading other books, you can see that way, it still means the same thing. So I'll be using what A prime here. Now watch. We said, note that if I have A complement, this is A complement, complement. A complement, and it has another complement. It has A. So this complement will cancel this complement, and you will have A. So in case you see any mathematics that looks like this, just know this is a principle. Now, when we talk about the complement of every universal set, the complement of the universal set, that is, just like what I was explaining in our previous video about the universal set, when you see a boundary or an environment, and the person, maybe a person is not found inside, maybe a person is not found inside the family, that person is a stranger. Now, in this maths, now we are not calling that person a stranger, but we are calling that person a complement. It doesn't fit into the family. So if this is a family, any person that is not part of the family is an empty person. The person doesn't matter. The person doesn't fit into the family. So note that in set theory, the complement of a universal set is always empty. It's always what? Empty set. Now let's consider this question. We said, if U, which is the universal set, if the universal set consists of all integers, what are integers? Integers are numbers. It can be positive number or negative numbers. So any number at all that exists in the nation, in the world. Now let's come to this side. They said, and A is equal to all odd numbers. You know what all odd numbers are? Odd numbers are those numbers that cannot be divided by what? By 2. You understand? So those are odd numbers. Now they say now you should find under this odd, what is the complement of the odd number? It's very simple. Solution. The odd number of A, which is A complement, is equal to the set of all even integers. All even integers. That is your answer. So, you know, the opposite, just like the opposite of a boy is a girl. So the complement of a boy is a girl. No, on this note now, you said A, all odd integers. Then you should find A complement. The A complement will be, you write it in this symbol. Look at the symbol here. You write A complement, all even integers. That is how you write it. And that is the final answer. So when we come to Venn diagram will explain more in a diagrammatical form. It will explain more of all these types of set I'm explaining. So this is let me recap back what I'm trying to explain. I say complementary set, when you hear the word not, it's complementary. It's not part of us. As long as it's not part of us, it's a complementary set. As long as it's not found in that set, it's a complementary. It's not part of the set. Okay? So go to my YouTube channel, like, subscribe. Thank you very much.